What are you doing, Floppy? Zoe? You trying to attack her? Huh? Floppy. Floppy, get out of Floppy's cage. Hey! Hey, Joey. That's Floppy, my male rabbit. There's Zoe trying to always attack him. Here's Katie. Hey, Kate. There's my dad on the deck. There's my female rabbit in my male rabbit's cage. And let's walk over here to my rats. Whoop! Hello, girls. They're just in here for now while I'm cleaning their cage. This is Sugar, my oldest female. And these are her 3 babies. There's Molly, my somewhat white rat. And there's Maggie and Mandy. Maggie's on the left and Mandy's on the right. Yep, it's pretty exciting.